Hello. Today we will be explaining two defenses, 5-3 and 4-4.
You're done?
So first of all, we're starting out with 5-3, and as you can see, this defense is better for stopping the run because there's lots of guys in the box. And it's not good for stopping the pass because, as you can see, you have few defensive backs. So first of all, we'll start out with the defensive backs, or corners. And right here, these guys have deep thirds, known as this area right here. The field is usually split into thirds, like right here and right there. So this would be a third, and that would be a third, and right here. So this corner has this third. This safety right here has this deep third, and lets no one behind him. And this corner also has the same area right here. Right here, this outside linebacker, he has an area called flats, known as right here. This 5-yard, usually a 5-yard area. And this linebacker also has the same thing right here. This middle linebacker has an area called hooks, known as right here. This is how they stop the pass, right here. And they also have a gap. With all these linebackers have a gap. And then this defensive end right here crushes down and doesn't let anyone outside of him. He has outside contain. Same with this one right here. These three middle linemen all have a gap and don't get pushed back and hold their gap. And that's how that defense is successful against the run. This defense, 4-4, as you can see, has a few more guys outside the box, which makes it better for pass defense. So first of all, we'll start out with the defensive backs. This corner right here has the area flats right here, and usually plays very tight coverage. Same with this one right here. This free safety is usually the safety that lets no one behind them, and they also have this deep half right here. This strong safety over here usually has deep halves too, and the strong safety will switch sides depending on what the offense brings. So this middle linebacker right here, and usually this linebacker slid over, they will usually have hooks, known as this area right in here. This outside linebacker usually just keeps his outside contained and has a gap. And then same with this outside linebacker. And then defensive ends, they will crush it down and make sure they keep their outside contained. And same with this defensive end, lets no one outside of them. And then these defensive tackles have their two gaps. Same with these two middle linebackers. And that's it.